everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change username on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now click on the Edit Profile option. Tap on Name. And here it says that your name and username are synced with Instagram and can only be changed there. Now go to your Instagram app. Here click on the profile page on the bottom right corner. Click on Edit Profile option. Click on Username and type in whatever username you want. Now click on the right button on the top right corner. Click on it once again. Now go to your Threads app to check whether the username has been changed or not. Here you can see that the username has been changed. And that is how you can change your username on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.